Hey guys, welcome back. Ernest here. Another edition of Hot Wheels unboxing. Today we're doing an unboxing of 4 Hot Wheels trucks. First one is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. The second one is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And number 3 is the all-elusive Tesla Cybertruck. And the fourth one is a Mazda Repu. Okay, let's open up the first one. It's a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Okay, the next model in today's video is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This one looks more like a pickup truck because it's got a couple of dirt bikes attached to it in the back. Next model is a Mazda Repu. Last but not least is the famous Tesla Cybertruck. This one's made to look like it's out of the future, like cyberspace. No wonder it's called a Cybertruck, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys.